How to customize keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip and have your own shortcuts too. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here, there's an option called keyboard shortcuts. Simply tap on it. Now this interface will pop up. Here, you'll be able to see different key bindings and commands according to it. Now here, you can simply tap on the one that you want to change into. So here, simply tap on the one, and here you can enter any of the keywords here. So simply enter the key and later you'll be able to save it. So at last, simply tap on tick, and as you can see, the keyboard shortcut has been changed. Now you can use this for later too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.